I'm Stefaan Adriaens, and for the last 18 years I've been the commercial manager of Gate Terminal, which is an LNG terminal in the port of Rotterdam, the Netherlands. We are an LNG terminal in the port of Rotterdam, still the biggest port in Europe. And so our main task is to receive LNG carriers and then to regasify that LNG into normal gas and put it on the Northwest European gas grid in a way that you can have heat and electricity to work on your iPads and things like that. My presentation will focus on how investments can help to strengthen our role in the Northwest European framework, let's say. We are going once again through a crisis, and I want to highlight how we help to mitigate the effects of this crisis. Yeah, something that's still far away, but which is very interesting, I think, is E-methane. So it's the next step after bio-LNG, a combination of green hydrogen with CO2. And then you don't only have methane molecules without emissions, but it's even a circular economy. So that would be great, but we are talking 2050 before it will be there. Let's say most of the LNG always goes to Asia. 70 to 80% of LNG is Asia, so there the growth should increase, especially in Southern Asia. In Europe, we have a nice market with the bunkering. More and more vessels are running on LNG. So for Europe, in percentage terms, the biggest growth will come from bunkering, but it's still a relative niche market, of course. I think the mood in the LNG industry is always quite optimistic. So we are, I think, very positive on LNG as a molecule, also for bunkering. So I don't think that the LNG industry is underestimating its own growth potential. The industry will grow by 50% over the next couple of years. So there's not an underestimate of the future for us, I would say. All of them. There's not one silver bullet. I think I'm from a land-based terminal, so my bias is, of course, towards land-based terminals, but FSRUs are certainly a nice add-on in certain geographies. Small scale is very different from large scale, but is needed for the transport sector. So we need all the infrastructure and all the molecules, whether it's fossil LNG or bio-LNG or later on methane. So there's not one choice only. I like to follow the most difficult part of the industry, and that's the use of LNG in trucks. LNG in vessels goes very well, but LNG in trucks in Europe is struggling. In China it goes very well. And so that's the sector that I'm keen to follow and to see how it will adapt. I would say the personal assistance, the eagerness that you put to connect people with each other, that's amazing to see. And also the combination of technical issues and commercial issues makes this conference very different from other conferences.